Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can clear cookies on Android. So first, you will need to launch your device's settings. Next, find and enter the apps category. Next, open the full apps list, find whatever browser you would like to clear the cookies for. From here, it doesn't really matter which browser you use. From here, the process is somewhat identical for any given browser. Just find it on the all apps list. So Chrome, here it is. Now in the app info section, enter the storage and cache. And here you'll find the clear cache button, so tap on it, and this button will erase, or at least should erase, both cache and cookies of your web browser. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye-bye!